Okay, we're back at it again this week, talking about how do we build our business from 100 million to 200 million, doubling your production. Last week we spoke about emails and how to try to be creative and differentiate in the generic emails that go out. The new one that we came up with this week was renovation loans. So many people, when they take out an original loan, it's just to buy their home. But move down the road, comes time to do some renovations, whether it's for a bathroom or to take out a home equity. Another great way to just stay in front of your clients consistently is with some good content. In my opinion, good content is reaching out to your clients and explaining to them that in need of any renovation, please give me a call. Anything home related, give me a call. Let me help you in any way I can. Looking forward to talking to everyone next week.